Riu a Kenya hamwe na atongoria led by President William Ruto ni maracakaya ndeto ya kieha irikitie kuhanika Kiambu County is in painful mourning. Two sad deaths have happened, leaving two top leaders kuma Kiambu in painful mourning. Na a Kenya na atongoria makiyumiria na njira nene muno kumiriria atongoria aya hamwe na county yothe ya Kiambu during this tough and difficult time. Nobero tukiaja na a new development that has just happened shiraini wa Samido, where he is currently facing rape allegations, akirikana ati niahamire kimwiri allegedly mwiritu umwe eshera fururi-ini wa America back in 2021. Ndeto aronekanire kuregana nayo na akiuria angikorwo akihama mundu kimwiri ni thina uriku, where even some Kenyans have expressed their doubts na angi makiuria could this be politically motivated. Na undu uria uri wa kugegania muno ni ati the identity of the said lady is unknown. Gutie mundu ui nu na onake gutie handu eyumiritie na akauga niwe urathitanga Samido, but igoti riu niririkitie kurekereria initials ciake in a court order that has been released, where Samido has now been ordered to stay away from the woman, ndakageria kumukwiriria kana kumwariria na njira yoyothe na kana ona gutuma andu mathie makamu represent. And also further details have emerged at the lady now says she has evidence of this assault, evidence araturitia preservate na oho subsequent interactions with the artist, kuria augite riu ena audio recordings na ona ginya messages ciake na Samido, where Samido is also once again accused of having allegedly threatened the woman and also insulted her, akimwita professional prostitute. Na riu mutumia uyu uria utamburikanite through the initials MRW ni ahoete igoti rimuteithie gu preserve the evidence na gutigirira uthuthuria ni wambikwo cira-ini uyu, and Samido now has 7 days to respond, and these orders have been issued by the High Court. No riu tukiingira kuri ndeto cia kieha irekete kuhanikira top Kiambu County government leaders, umwe wao ari governor wa Kiambu, Governor Kimani Wamatangi, and also Kikuyu MP Kimani Ichung'wah, who has sadly lost his father. Na Kimani Wamatangi nake akilose the sister. Ndeto ciakorwo confirm ni the president himself through condolences messages, akimwomiriria na kuumiriria family ciao and even the county of Kiambu. May their loved ones rest in eternal peace.